Hey, what's up, guys? Lagi gue tadi.
You gotta go and get angry at all of my honesty. You know I try, but I don't do too well with apologies. I hope I don't run out of time, cause someone call a referee. Cause I just need one more shot, have forgiveness. I know that I made those mistakes maybe once or twice. And by once or twice, I mean maybe a couple of 100 times. So let me redeem on myself tonight. Cause I just need one more shot, second chances. Yeah. Is it too late now to say sorry? Cause I'm missing more than just your body. Oh, is it too late now to say sorry? Yeah, I know that I let you down. Is it too late to say sorry now? Take every single piece of the blame if you want me to. But you know that there is no innocent one in this game for two. I'll go, and then you go out and spill all the truth. Can we both say the words and forget this? Yeah, is it too late now to say sorry? Cause I'm missing more than just your body. Oh, is it too late now to say sorry? Yeah, I know that I let you down. Is it too late to say I'm sorry now? I'm not just trying to get you back on me. Cause I'm missing more than just your body. Is it too late now to say sorry? Yeah, I know that I let you down. Is it too late to say I'm sorry now? believe that I got this kicking, hustling every time everybody hating. I pray to God to wish you all well. Still hating on me, oh man, what the hell? I got things set it up, I don't have time to break it up. Let me tell you one thing, come and sing. I got a thing that I need to achieve. Pull on the Rubicon like a soldier. I create that desk look like a soldier. Don't mess with me boy, I told ya. And God bless all of you, yeah. So please, it's time to make it better. Dan ku selalu percaya doa aku berjaya. Mungkin mereka bangga, kata-kata benci jadi candu. Sementara aku maju, satu hal ku pegang teguh. And that's Remember, love's come first. I'll show you what it costs. And I say